DrGarimaAsati welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today I am going to explain you the topic varicose veins in English on the demand of few of my non-Hindi patients. So let's continue with the topic varicose veins. At first, I would like to tell you what actually varicose veins are. So, when superficial veins under the skin of legs or thighs becomes enlarged, tortuous and twisted, it can lead to this varicosity, which is known as varicose veins. So it is most common after the age of 50s and mainly seen in females. Friends, before that, if you have not subscribed my channel till yet, kindly subscribe the channel, tap the bell icon to get the latest updates of the videos, and kindly see the video till the last, because in the last I am going to explain you some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this varicose veins. Now I would like to tell you the causes of this varicose veins. So it may be hereditary, it may be due to pregnancy, obesity, menopause. So after effects of menopause can also lead to this varicose veins. Aging, that is age related factors. Continuous or prolonged standing, like seen in teachers, in the job of traffic policemen or in the job of guards. Any kind of leg injury can also lead to this varicose veins. Increased abdominal pressure, that is constipation or too prolonged diarrhea, can also lead to this varicose veins. Hyperhomocystinemia, that is increased level of homocysteine, can also lead to this varicose veins because it is a corrosive of long-living protein of the blood vessels. Continuous cigarette smoking and continuous alcoholism can also lead to this varicosity. Friends, now I would like to tell you the sign and symptoms of this varicose veins. So there is heaviness in the legs or the limbs, and there is appearance of spider veins, which is known as telangiectasia, and ankle joints may also get swollen, and especially in the evening. Brownish yellowish discoloration may be seen surrounding the affected region. There may be redness, dryness or itchiness be there surrounding this area or affected part. There may be cramps seen in the calf region. Restless leg syndrome may be seen, and healing takes place very slowly in these persons. Pain, tenderness, heaviness in the limbs and inability to walk or inability to stand may be seen. Now let's talk about the complications of these varicose veins. So varicose ulcers is the first complication, which can lead to further carcinoma of these varicose veins. It can also cause severe bleeding, and blood clotting may take place a lot, which is known as thrombophlebitis. Now let's talk about the diagnosis of these varicose veins. So it's just clinical based. Along with that, Trendelenburg test can be done to know the site of venous reflux. Now the treatment point of view, just simply elevating the leg gives temporary relief. Regular exercise or weight loss in obese person gives temporary relief. Now friends, I would like to tell you the homeopathic cause and one of the cured case of mine via homeopathy of this varicose veins, and some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing these varicose veins. So at first I would like to tell you the homeopathic cause. So there is a self-worth conflict related to movement. Patient feels that my freedom has been lost and I am under a burden and I want to get rid of this situation, but I can't move through it. A patient aged 24 years suffering from this varicose veins since last 15 days. So it's just an acute case. In this case, patient was going to appear in the medical exam of police and he was suffering from recurrent fever. He was ill, but he felt that I am completely well. I don't need any doctor. I am completely well. I am not sick. he is having this delusion. And because of that, he was too positive that I can fight any exam. I am completely well. I can fight any exam. So, the rubric taken was delusion he is well. And the medicine came out was arnica. Of course, there was mental soreness and physical soreness in the body too. So, this arnica 200 completely cured his varicose veins within a week only because it's just an acute case. Now friends, I would like to tell you some of the homeopathic medicines which can be helpful in curing this varicose veins. So the first medicine is Vipera. There is distended, engorged varicose veins, but as if bursting or rupturing. There is too much history of bleeding, but coagulability was lost. And along with this varicosity, there may be paraplegia or one side of the body. And the mental generals of this Vipera is patient is suspicious, manipulative, shrewd, very much talkative, that is communicative, expansive, and too suspicious. So if these symptoms correspond, then Vipera can be helpful in curing this varicose veins. The next medicine is Hemamyllis. So here also the veins get engorged, distorted, but along with that there is pressure aggravation. Patient can't even bear to be touched at the site of the varicosity. There is hard, knotty, swollen and painful varicose veins. And it may bleed as well as it may ulcerate. The mental symptoms of this Hemamyllis is patient is too much irritable, forgetful, he forgets what he has to say next. Irritability is there, aversion to any kind of work, whether it is physical or mental, and he thinks constantly about his illness only. So if these symptoms correspond, Hemamyllis can be helpful in curing these varicosity. That's all about this topic. We'll meet soon with a new topic, new subject. Friends, it's my humble request to you all, kindly don't take any medicine without consulting doctor. So kindly consult the doctor before taking any medicine. And the clinic address of mine and the contact number is given in the description link. Stay connected to stay healthy. Thanks for watching.